I'm Pam Rajput, and I'm Professor Emeritus at Punjab University. But I've been involved with the women's movement for decades now. Right?
Pam, can you tell me that from gender point of view, what is one issue which you would like to resist?
Of course, everyone talks about patriarchy, but I leave that aside. And given the present context, when we are talking so much about gender equality, violence against women and other genders, I think is the most critical issue. That dehumanizes women, right? And goes beyond, all the talk that we do. And latest, of course, is the Epstein files, right? Which is highlighting that right from the day a girl child is born, right? Nobody is spared in that. And who are the people involved in that? Think of that. It's not an ordinary common person, in the hut that person is exploited. It's the big people, corporate sector people involved, politicians involved. Name any sector that they are involved. So I think there cannot be greater inhumanity, if not to use the word dishumanity, inhumanity than this, that you treat the other sex, creation of God like this.
Thank you. What is one narrative you want to reclaim?
One narrative that I would like to reclaim is that every girl child and the third gender, for that matter, they can live a life of dignity. They can move around with their head up, be it their social field, be it their economic field, whichever field it is there, that they can move with their heads high, with dignity, with confidence, and consider themselves to be as best the creation of God on earth.
And one action you would take to rebuild?
Well, very difficult to say one action, right? The best part of my education has been that, and that's what I learned from my mother. I always say that whatever I learned in the womb of my mother, right? So, so as a result of it, I've been involved even while studying, even while teaching. So I have been a professor of political science. I've taught international law. I founded the Center for Women's Studies. And the basic idea was not to confine ourselves to the four walls of the university, but to relate, to relocate with the people outside and see to it that humanity is a concern for everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much.